Hi, I'm Stephanie, the Director of Rehab here at Stuckey Chiropractic Center. I've got Nan here with me today. We have been working on her knee with the SoftWave therapy, and she had a pickleball injury. So tell us a little bit about how you're feeling after that injury.
Well, I don't know if you know much about pickleball, but this guy poached and pushed me out of the way, so he tweaked my knee. And I was really disappointed because I love my pickleball.
Yeah, of course.
So then I was like, okay, what am I going to do? And I saw this therapy come across my plate, and I was like, I need to check it out. So my knee was really sore and swollen, and I couldn't do even my Peloton.
Oh, you gotta use the Peloton.
That's
you have
right.
a Peloton, you have to use your Peloton.
That's right.
So Nan wasn't able to do a lot of the things she loved, so she tried out the SoftWave, and here we are today, about halfway through our treatment plan. And tell us about how you're feeling now.
Well, the last treatment that you gave me, you okayed me to go on my Peloton again, so that was exciting.
Very exciting.
Very exciting. And so now my knee doesn't have any pain whatsoever. It's just a little weak. So I'm excited to see where all my treatments take me.
Right.
But I think within a week or two, I'll be back on the pickleball court.
Yeah, that is very exciting.
Very exciting.
Really good results for you. So what would you say to somebody else if they were thinking about trying out SoftWave?
You need to try it, honestly, because I did not think this would work for me, but I was a skeptic, but I was like, I need to try it. And I am sold. It's amazing.
Oh,
and so is Stephanie.
Oh, thank you. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Nan.
You're welcome.